Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kodarkar CS from Department of Physics, Sri Siddheshwar Mahavidyalaya, Mazalgaon. Today I am going to discuss photoelectric cell. Then definition: it is an arrangement used to convert light energy into electrical energy using photoelectric effect is called photoelectric cell. Means in photoelectric cell, light energy is converted into electrical energy, and photoelectric effect means it is the phenomena of emission of electron from the surface of metals when the light radiations of suitable frequency fall on them. The emitted electrons are called photoelectrons, and the current so produced is called photoelectric current. There are three types of photoelectric cell. First is known as photoemissive cell, second is known as photovoltaic cell, and third is known as photoconductive cell. Then first, photoemissive cell. The principle of photoemissive cell is it works on the principle of photoelectric effect. Construction: in the figure, B is a glass bulb, C is cathode, A is anode, G is galvanometer, and V is battery connected in the circuit. Construction of photoemissive cell is it consists of a highly evacuated glass bulb fitted with a quartz window. In the glass bulb, two electrodes are present. One is known as a cathode, which is denoted by letter C, and another is known as anode, which is denoted by letter A. Cathode is semi-cylindrical and made of silver. Second, cathode is emitter of electrons. It is semi-cylindrical in space shape. It coated with a photosensitive alkali metal like potassium. And anode is the form of a wire of platinum or nickel arranged along the axis of cathode. Working of photoemissive cell is when the radiation of frequency nu is greater than or equal to nu 0 is incident on the cathode, the photoelectrons are emitted and moves towards the anode, which is at higher potential with respect to cathode. Nu is incident frequency of radiation and nu 0 is threshold frequency. Threshold frequency means minimum frequency which emits the electrons from the surface of metal. Therefore, nu is always greater than or equal to nu 0. In the circuit, the microammeter records the current. That current is known as a photo current. Third is light energy is converted into electrical energy. The current is found to be proportional to the intensity of light. Intensity of light means number of photons present in the electromagnetic wave. And current in the cell can be increases by filling the bulb with inert gas like argon or neon at low pressure. Application of photoemissive cells are: this photoemissive cell is used in measurement of intensity of light. It also used for exposure meter as well as alarm. It also used in detector, automatic street light, as well as reproduction of sound in motion picture. Another type of cell is known as a photovoltaic cell. Main difference between photoemissive cell and photovoltaic cells are: in photoemissive cell we use glass tube. In photovoltaic cell we use semiconductor. Therefore, definition of photovoltaic cell is: the photovoltaic cell is the semiconductor device that convert the light energy into electrical energy. Semiconductor means it is, all of you know, material is divided into three types. One is known as a conductor. Conductor means current pass through it. Second is insulator. Insulator means current does not pass through it. And semiconductor means that type of material which conductivity lies between conductor and insulator. It is lies in the fourth group of periodic table. The voltage induced in PV cell means photovoltaic photovoltaic cell depends on the intensity of light incident on it. As well as the name photovoltaic cell is due to their voltage producing capacity. Again, in the construction of photovoltaic cell, we show that in the figure, lower is a metal plate on which semiconductor layer is produced. On the semiconductor layer, one surface film is present on which wave fall light. In the circuit, microammeter is connected to measure current in the circuit, as well as R is resistor through which we take output. Construction of photovoltaic cell. It generates its own electromotive force. Same case, external battery is not required to operate PV cell. Means in photovoltaic cell, external battery is absent. This is main difference between photoemissive cell and photovoltaic cell. All of you know in photoemissive cell, battery is connected in the circuit. But in photovoltaic cell, external battery is absent. A layer of semiconductor material spread over a metallic surface by heat treatment. The lower metal plate is made up of copper. The semiconductor is used is copperous oxide, Cu2O. On upper side of semiconductor, a very thin layer of metal deposited on which allows the semiconductor to be illuminated by radiation. Working of photovoltaic cell. When light fall on the surface of film, penetrates into it and ejects photoelectron from the semiconductor layer. Student, all of you know what is by semiconductor. The flow of electron in opposite direction to the direction of incident light. Means current flows in the direction of incident light. Current is directly proportional to intensity of light. It converts solar energy into electrical energy. There are so many applications of photovoltaic cell. In solar panel or solar PV system, this photovoltaic cell is used. It also used in maximum power point tractor as well as rural electrification. Same way, photovoltaic cell also used in telecommunication and signaling, as well as it also charge controller, and lastly photovoltaic cell also used in inverter. Students, all of you know in two photoemissive cell and photovoltaic cell we discuss about how light energy convert into electrical energy. Again, third cell is remaining, which is known as photoconductive cell. We discuss further photoconductive cell in next lecture. We can stop here. Thank you.